Despite billions of dollars invested in treatment programs, drug and alcohol addiction remains a devastating crisis. Relapse rates are high, overdose deaths continue to rise, and conventional approaches, framing addiction as either a disease of the brain or the inevitable result of powerful substances, have failed to produce lasting healing. Why do so many individuals return to using drugs and alcohol even after completing treatment? Why do they so often cycle through treatment programs only to relapse again? The answer lies in a missing element in the treatment of addictive behavior: the central role of self-image. The true cause of addiction is not the drug, the brain, or external circumstances. Addiction is fueled by a negative self-image and the destructive beliefs a person holds about their worth. Until this reality is acknowledged and directly addressed, treatment will remain superficial, managing symptoms rather than healing the root cause. Moreover, as a result, the situation with those suffering will remain the same, with high relapse rates and an escalating death toll. When an individual learns to see themselves differently, as worthy, whole, and complete, the desire for drugs and alcohol disappears, not temporarily, but permanently. Transformation is the real and lasting solution to addictive behavior. The promise of transformation. The solution to addiction is not found in substances, disease models, or external interventions. It is found within the individual, within their self-image, their beliefs, their thoughts. Addiction is the symptom. Negative self-image is the cause. Transformation of self-image is the cure. When individuals learn to love themselves authentically, they no longer need drugs or alcohol to numb their pain. They begin to live with self-respect, dignity, and joy. This is the promise of transformation. Freedom is not only possible, it is inevitable when we change how we see ourselves. To learn more about the counseling program of transformation and enhanced healing counseling in Port Charlotte, please visit my website at enhancedhealing.com or call 305-498-3442.